So you can see from one of the Facebook messages I received recently from one of my followers, they said, "Hey Garrett, I've already gotten my first 2 sales this week. I love sharing methods that help you guys get real results." What I'm going to share with you inside this video is exactly how you can copy and paste your way to $300 or more every single day without previous experience, without any tech ability, and literally without a following online. By the way, grab my free toolkit below. It's the exact funnel and tools I use to earn $300 or more a day with affiliate marketing, and it works even if you're a complete beginner. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right into the method. Now, you can go to clickbank.com, and if you don't have an account, you can go ahead and start here and create an account to find products. You want to log in and you want to go to the top tab under Marketplace. Now, they have all these different categories you can find products in. You can do business and investing. You can do fiction, games, green products. For the sake of this video and this method, it works best in the make money online niche, okay? So we're gonna go to e-business and e-marketing. Now, once you're in that category, if you're using ClickBank, you wanna sort results by gravity. This is gonna share with you the best selling products at the very top. And if we promote products that are selling well for other people, chances are we'll be able to make a ton of sales as well. So I'm actually gonna use this very top one. It has a gravity score of 296, which is pretty darn good, and an average dollar per conversion of $29, meaning that's the average amount of money you'll make per sale. So just click promote, and you want to generate your hop link if you're using ClickBank, and go ahead and copy this affiliate link. Now I'm going to put it in a notepad to keep this handy, and we're going to be able to use this a little bit later as you keep watching this powerful free method.
Now that you've got a product ready, let's jump into how to actually get traffic. Stick with me because I'll show a method that's fast, beginner friendly, and works even if you've never promoted anything before.
Now I'm going to share with you how to create a very simple free guide you can give away in your niche to start generating leads and sales with your affiliate offers. So you can just go to ChatGPT right here, and we want to put in a prompt. Now I already have one saved right here. It says, "I want you to create a simple one-page PDF document giving value on how to make money online. This will be used as a free guide I give away." Okay, so that's the context and the prompt for ChatGPT. Now you want to replace this with whatever niche or product you're promoting. So for example, if I'm promoting a product on how to make money online, this would work perfect. Copy this and then just go to ChatGPT and paste that in right there, and then just enter. And in a matter of seconds, it will actually create this very simple guide. Okay, so it already finished in a matter of seconds. All you have to do is just copy this right here. Then just go into a blank document. You could use something like Google Docs, okay, if you have a Gmail account. And then just go ahead and paste in it right there, okay? Now, if it's 2 pages, that's fine, but you can actually remove there, okay? And then we can make this a little bit bigger by just highlighting it, okay? And we can center this. So that looks pretty darn good. You can even make this slightly bigger, okay? And it will go into 2 pages, which is totally fine. Once we download this into a PDF, that is totally fine, okay? So you can see that this is value, right? It's teaching different ways people can make money, such as freelancing, selling digital products. Now, the last thing you want to do is you want to include your affiliate link, because you want to get people to read this and then ultimately go further so you can start to make money. So all you have to do is say something at the bottom like this, okay? So click here to see the system I recommend. And then all you have to do is highlight this, go to the top little paperclip icon, and then just put in your affiliate link right there. So for example, if this was my affiliate link, I could do that and then click apply. Okay, now that's actually a full PDF that we can give away. This is very valuable that you can give away to people that are interested in this specific topic. Now, to save it as a PDF, just go to the top left where it says file, and then just click download and then PDF document, and this will save to your device as a PDF document that we can now give away. Now we want to upload that PDF to another site. So one site you can go is slideshare.net. So this site, you basically can create a free account and then upload these different PDFs that you want, which is basically just your affiliate sales page. And some of these you can see are getting thousands and thousands of views. Okay, so this one right here got 231,000 views. This one, 268,000 views. And this is passive traffic, by the way. Once you upload this PDF, over time, it will just get more and more views. So if you stick with this process, you're going to start to get a lot of traffic. So what you want to do is once you're inside of your account, go to the top right here where it says upload. And then we want to click there and actually upload the PDF we just downloaded. Once you click that, you'll get taken to this page here. It says upload and share with over 70 million people. So there's millions of people visiting this site every single day. And it's not uncommon for people to stumble across your PDF, read over the sales page, and then ultimately decide to buy. Okay, so all you have to do is, again, click this blue button here and upload that document. Okay, so I uploaded it like that. Now we just need to fill out this right here. So for example, for the title, you can actually go back to the sales page and then copy the title from the actual sales page. Go here and just put it like that. Description, okay, this is where we actually want to include our affiliate link so people will see this and then actually go here to find out more information. So you can say something like, if you are interested in learning more, be sure you go to this link. And then we just want to copy our affiliate link and then paste it in like that. Category, okay, you can just select a category that's relevant to your niche. Okay, so marketing, right, because this is more like affiliate marketing and something like that. And then tags, we can actually add some tags. So I can just start typing some words, and you just want to select up to 20, okay, that are relevant to this page right here in this offer so people can discover this PDF even easier. So I can do marketing, I can do, work from home, I can do make money online, okay? And then we want to make sure privacy is public and then just click publish. So there we go. This is posted. A lot of people are going to stumble across this, see it, they'll see the link in our description, and then the interested people will go to it, and some people will decide to buy over time, allowing us to generate money even while we're sleeping. Well, there we have it. I hope you enjoyed learning this strategy, and if you want to take the shortcut and copy what's already working, be sure to grab the free toolkit below. It includes my funnel map, tools, and everything you need to start getting results. Be sure to like and subscribe if you got value. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.